Rocks and agates, short and sweet. This week, how to ID and clean tube agates.
What you will gain from this video: increase your ability to ID tube agate treasures, what to look for to stop missing these hidden treasures, learn how to clean tube agates once you have them, save you time and money in the process.
Hi, this is SeaJay with Agate, Enchantment, and Wizardry. We are at C&H Family Jewels off of Highway 18, just outside of Dundee and just before McMinnville Split. I'm talking with Chris McGrew with the C&H Family Jewels, and we are talking about the tube agate that I brought him in to see. Okay, this is a stone that was given to me by a friend of mine. He found it in Oregon, and he asked me, he said, is it worth doing anything with? And I said, well, yeah, it looks like a tube agate. And he said, well, I'll cut off half and give it to you. And this is what we found in the center part. So what we're going to do is we're going to soak it in lime away and see if we can't get some of this iron staining gone, and see how well lime away works on, well, you can see what I've wiped off my hands, how well it works with this rust that's on the rock. So we shall see. I wanted to ask for a second opinion on our rock. And because I thought it was a tube agate, but you know, you always can have a second opinion. So I asked Chris.
I'm Chris. I own C&H Family Jewels. My wife is Holly. She's up there checking people out right now. But and my mom, she helps here. But we've been running this for about 7 years now, and we've been able to grow from just being a little hole in the wall to being a prime location right off of the highway going towards the coast. And we get a lot of traffic in here. It's really neat to see all the rockhounds that come through here and share stories about looking for rocks and polishing rocks. And it's just been a blessing that we've been able to do what we love to do, and not have to work for the man.
So I asked Chris.
Yeah. When she came in, she brought it in, and in my experiences, the way this is shaped and the way it's been cut from the side, you can obviously see where the tubes have formed and everything like that. So I would agree with you as well that this is a tube agate.
Awesome, we appreciate it.
I don't have any extra specimens here to show you of what it looks like polished and whatnot, but they turn out great. They polish up just like any other agate.
Exactly. Well, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, and if this is your very first time viewing our channel, well, welcome. Hey, stick around to the end of the video and we'll share with you some links to some videos that have helped many find more cool rocks and agates.